What's going on, YouTube? It's Hector the Connector. If you guys are planning to move to San Antonio in the next 30, 60, 90 days, allow me to help you. We're out here on Talley Road in Potranco, close to SeaWorld, close to UTSA, Air Force Base, and so much more. Today we're visiting the builder by the name of Brightland Homes. Great quality work, great interest rate right now. And let's go ahead and look at the quality of their finishes and other details that they do in this beautiful home. This is a 3-2 with an office that can be converted into a room. Check this one out, guys. We walk in, there's accents on the wall, high ceilings. As you walk into your right, you have a coat closet, you have your full bath that's shared down here, and you have a room number 1 out of the 3. Room number 1. This one does have a shower. And then you walk in here, and on your right hand side you have your office. Again, that trim on the wall keeps following the design. Your washer and dryer room. Yeah, and she has a beautiful kitchen. Yeah. Kitchen, dining area, and living room all in one. Open concept. It's great. Before I take you to your kitchen, in the back here we have room number 2. And then here we have a restroom that they use for phone that they share with this room, the pantry. And now we're back to your kitchen. Big farm style sink and gas. The accents on the wall. Floating shelf, guys, amazing. Check out this beautiful master bedroom. It is huge, guys. Oh, yeah, look at that. All the light, all the power. You guys feel it? Hitting her sink. Beautiful L shape. Lots of mirror, lots of light. Check out the tile on the sinks, guys, and the tile on the shower. And they have a his and hers walk-in closet. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Check out this beautiful restroom, guys. It's gonna be yours. Very affordable, guys. Less than $400,000. Beautiful floor plan like this. Let's go ahead and check it out outside. Let's see what's going on. All right, I got a covered patio. A bit of fireplace. Relaxing. Outdoor couches. And there you go, guys. That's the Brightland Homes home in San Antonio. If you guys are looking to save money and move to San Antonio, let me help you. I got the numbers here, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you guys on the next one.